Looking for reliable and affordable movers in Santa Fe? 3 Movers is your trusted choice for local and long-distance moves in New Mexico. With years of experience, our expert crews handle everything from residential and commercial moves to full-service packing and storage solutions. We specialize in local moves around Santa Fe and long-distance relocations across the country, always offering transparent pricing and professional care. Beware of movers who don't provide on-site estimates or demand large deposits up front. We ensure honest, in-person quotes with no hidden fees. Want to skip the hassle? Our professional packers secure your belongings safely and unpack at your new home. We handle delicate disassembly and reassembly of your furniture, making your move smooth and worry-free. Need storage? Our climate-controlled warehouses keep your items safe, short-term or long-term. Fully licensed and insured, 3 Movers guarantees professional service backed by positive customer reviews and local expertise. Moving costs vary by distance and size. Local moves can be under $1,000, long-distance moves range from $3,000 to over $10,000 depending on your needs. Ready to move? Contact 3 Movers for a free, no-obligation quote and experience stress-free moving in Santa Fe.